In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Farfetch discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Farfetch discount code. Right here, scroll down a little bit until you will find this website, which is called couponfarfetch.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one it up to 10% discount of your next order, simply select this promotion right here, and you can copy the promo code from right here, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. So this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 15% discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.